Team number
One.
one. Con Pooja.
Yes.
Yes. Kavin. Pratik. Subhash.
Vani.
Vani.
So, hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to our mini project here, which we just made in 20 minutes, like all of you did. So, the title of our this mini project, or you can say a story, is Murli's Reinvention.
Reinvention of life.
Reinvention of life. Okay. So, it was a 20th of October 1990 when a boy was born in a hospital ward, where everyone was like, oh, a son is born, then he'll be a doctor, na? No, he'll be engineer like your mother. So now everybody has thought that okay, his future is all planned. He'll going to if a doctor, he'll obviously go to a medical college. That too should be government. It should be from AIMS. If he'll be engineer, he'll go to IITs. Obviously, what would be less than the IITs or the AIMS? Murli grew up like that. He studied so hard, passed all the exams in one go. He thought, okay, I'll be an engineer now. So he got engineer degree. Obviously, he would get it because his fate was all mentioned in that hospital ward at the same time when he was born, before even knowing that he was born and who his parents were. So then here is a Murli, this stick boy with a stone head. He's a Murli. This is
एक कहाँ है इसमें?
हो रहा है.
अच्छा ये लेटा हुआ है. ठीक है.
He's our engineer Murli.
समझ गए इंजीनियर
And
है.
this is a skyline of the place where he lives.
Metro city.
Beautiful city where he lives, with all the accommodations which anybody would ever want. So now he goes to this 9 to 5 job, dealing with all his clients, all this hectic life, all these plans and all those colleagues that you have, but who smile at you in the first, but they all do back bitching. And Murli, he knows that, which is why he's a little bit upset at the end of every day. So what does he do now? He signed up for a trek in the mountains. He thought, if they are not my family, maybe I'll make another family where people would value me. So this is our second part, where he goes to the mountains and
Take one stick, no? To brief.
मुरली दिखा दो.
वो दे रहे.
अरे वही ले ले. हाँ.
okay. So these are the mountains where Murli went. These are all the streams and the snows that you'll all have to guess because a lot of stuff is put in here. So he went there, and then what he did all those 5-kilometer runs on these mountains only. He thought, why not? We just do what I can do in this a week trek. So he did all that. Now transformation hit him. What he thought, who am I? Who am I to get angry on those people who don't have the courage of speaking the truth to my face? Why should I care to them? If I have such a life where a simple song of a bird or a simple cuckoo can always transform or change my feelings a second ago, then why should I care for them? Why don't I just settle here? So Murli just made a decision at that point. He went to his skyline there again in the cities. He resigned without giving any prior notice or without even telling why he wanted to resign, because this was his life. It was his promise that he wanted to keep to himself, that no, I want to change it. I don't want to live like these people in this hectic 9 to 5 job. So he went to the mountains. Now what he thought? He made a hut for himself, which is also depicted here, which you can see like the huts like these are here. So Murli might be staying in one of these huts also. Who knows? Now what he thought? He said, when I went to the trek, I didn't really saw any plastics here and there. Why? Because the team which I went there, they didn't wanted to show the bad side of the mountains. They just wanted to depict that our life should be good enough. They just wanted to tell us about the snow-filled mountains, but not the reality. So he started collecting these things, which is depicted here. He used to go on these trails alone, in those places where no trek team would go. He used to find heaps of plastics everywhere and just put it in his bag. This is the eco bag that India Hikes provided to us, so we just used it because making it all with all that would be a little bit difficult. So he used to put all these eco bags. Now what? Now he said, I have done enough, but that's not enough. because my life would go away. People won't know who Murli is. I don't want to be remembered, but I want this thing to be remembered. So what he did, he started spreading his message. So now he's a Murli, standing a little bit taller than what he was doing there. And this is our OCD wala semicircle, which people like, obviously us, are not able to make. But I think
Murli and Nikesh sir.
Feel like your story.
there's no transformation.
आपका स्टोरी बता दिया इन लोगों ने
The story of Nitesh. It could be, I don't know about that, but it could be. It could be, I think, any of us, because we all are here. We didn't went to those touristy places to get those Instagram accounts, to get those. We will put, obviously, but we are not that touristy. We still went somewhere where, you know, we could challenge ourselves every hour, every second. We could see what our limits are, and we could push those limits. And we all did, I guess so. And we all are still doing it with having half tablets of Diamox in the morning, half in the evening. We all are having that, so it's okay.
Diamox in the mountain and Domex at home.
What a life. So now Amuli is spreading his message. His message is being heard, and he just wishes the reinvention that I made of my life. He didn't wanted people to come in the huts always. You can do your bits in pieces in your own life, living in the metros. You don't have to make such a transformation, but one person has to sacrifice. That is Amuli. Thank you.
वाह
Oh.
These are those people now, out of 5 in a group who make the presentation and they all do it.
Big round of applause to team. Wonderful.